doing great. Today I'm going to show you how I made this very simple Valentine's Day flipbook. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. For the flipbook, so the first thing is paper. Every time I use index card for flipbooks, but this time I'm using printed papers or printer papers or A4 size paper because these are thin and easily traceable. Index paper is little thick, but somehow you can trace on that also because I will be showing you how to make the setup at your home, and you can put a light through it below it to trace the paper. Now I'll cut these papers into my desired size, flipbook size, and then get it ready, done. The next thing would be planning. So you need to write down your scenes or more of a gesture here, scene by scene. So I will be drawing a very rough sketch here. So I draw a girl first since it's Valentine's Day, and then of course a boy who is coming towards the girl. So in the next scene the boy will be a little closer. So the boy is carrying her heart and it will come towards the girl, and the girl will turn around and take the heart, and so they'll be in love. This is the time where you're planning, so you can erase it, write again, think through it, and make a proper plan as how you want your flipbook to be. Take time to do this step because this is the main thing, that is planning. Now is the setup. So for that I've taken my mobile. I'll switch on the torch and then take any glass box and put it inside, and your setup is ready. Now it's time to start the flipbook. I'll put the papers on this and then start drawing. First I'm drawing the girl who is a little sad and facing on the right. Now I will draw the boy. So you can take two approaches. First you can start drawing the boy far away and slowly he's coming closer, or you can start from being closer and go further away. So I have started somewhere middle, so the boy and girl is close and they are handing over the heart. He's handing over the heart to her. And then every time I stress, the boy will be moving a little further away from the girl. So this is in reverse of my story. I must tell you, here I have kept two things in mind, that their facial gesture was changing. So the girl, as the boy was coming closer, the girl was smiling and the boy was smiling too, and the girl turned her face towards the boy when the boy came closer. So her ponytail went from left side to right side to give a look, to make it look like it's turning towards the boy. So these are the only two changes actually I made, other than just moving the figures away or closer. Check several times after you have finished a bit of the flipbook to see the sequence is okay. If you can see, I am also moving the two papers little apart so that when I trace on the other paper, the boy is moving away from the girl or coming closer to the girl. So if you move your um, already drawn picture little left side, so the boy will be going away from the girl, and if you do the opposite thing, then he will be coming closer. And here I kept on adding hearts, more hearts. So it's looking okay now. So I will be now tracing all this with a sharpie, black and red sharpie. Try not to mess up the sequence of the flipbook. So every time you do it in order. Here I have written a Happy Valentine's Day on with a pencil, and I'm tracing it with sketch pen and Sharpie. And after completing, I have also erased all the pencil marks from all the pages. I'll put a clip and then it's done. So you can see my story here. And that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And do leave your thoughts in the comment box.